Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lone Star Chick Plans, welcoming you back for another video, and this is going to be our cash stuffing for paycheck number 1 in February. This is going to be stuffing our Christmas sinking fund, our pet med sinking fund, and our household sinking fund. So let's do a little quick cash count. We're going to get our money out of our cash pouch. I'm just going to put this over to the side. So we are stuffing 160 today. And I made myself these little, I don't know if you can see it, these little teller slips here. And that's how much we should have, 160. So let's do a little quick cash count. We have 50. We're going to just put that 20, 40, 60, 80, 150, 160. So we should have 160. So I'm just going to set this money up here. All right, and we're going to get into the cash stuffing. So let's get into our holidays binder for Christmas. And we are doing Christmas. It's the first one in the front. And these are the bookmarks that I had made. So as you can see, they stick up from your binder so you can easily see them. So I like that. So I don't have to put anything on my binder and I know which one it is. So Christmas, we're going to be stuffing $60. So it's going to be a 50 and 2 5s. And let's see how much we have here. So we have 50, 70, 85. Now in Christmas. And I will update my tracker off camera, and that's going to be it for my holidays binder, this stuffing. Our next one is going to be our pet meds, and that's going to be in our low priority. And this is going to be here. Let's see how much we have. And we are stuffing $60. And we'll be stuffing 3 20s. So let's see how much we have. We have 50, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40. So 240, 55. And I believe that gets us to our goal. Let's see, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 240, 245, 250, 255. So we have met our goal, and I will place that order to re-up on their meds. And that's all for my low priority. And now we'll be going into our high priority. And we need our household envelope. And where is my household envelope? Trash, car, AAA, Amazon, Canva, Google, Sam's. Maybe it is in my low priority. I need to remember where all these are, y'all. I might have passed it up. There it is. Okay. Household is getting $40, and we currently don't have anything in there. So we will be stuffing $40 into household. And I'll probably go to Sam's and get some toilet paper, and then probably go to Walmart or something and get the cleaning supplies that I need. So that's it for our cash stuffing for our first paycheck. Thanks for tuning in today. Thanks for watching another video. Hope you'll stick around, and I will see you in our next video. Bye.